Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Rizky Habibi, and I am a dental student at University Muhammadiyah Surakarta. There's a memory, if never forgotten, when I was in high school. I had a close friend who never smiled in the photos. We would always turn away or cover his mouth. One day, I asked him, "Why don't you ever smile?" And he quietly said, "I hate my teeth. I don't feel like I deserve to smile." The moment left a deep impression on me. It made me realize something important: that a smile is more than just a gesture, it's a reflection of self worth, confidence, and inner peace. Since that day, I started to look at the people differently. I become more curious about why people smile or why they don't. And I began to understand the true emotional power behind a healthy smile. So when I chose dentistry, I wasn't just choosing a career. I was choosing a mission to help people feel whole again, not just physically but emotionally too. Dentistry is not always easy. There are long nights, complex cases, and moments of self-doubt. If had days when I questioned my own ability, but every time I step into the classroom or the clinic, I remember my why. And that why is simple: to help people smile without fear. In my studies, I've learned a lot about the human body, the delicate structures of the mouth, and the tools that can restore what was lost. But beyond the science, if discovered something even more powerful: human connections. Behind every patient is a story. I know I will be trusted with more than just teeth. I will be trusted with someone's pain, their insecurities, and their hopes. And that is a responsibility I take seriously. Outside of academic, I try to stay balanced. I practice martial arts, which teaches me discipline and focus. I spend time with my family, who reminds me of my roots, and I reflect often, not just on what I want to achieve, but on who I want to become. For me, success is not just measured by grades or titles. It's measured by impact, by how many people walk out of the clinic with more than just fixed teeth, but with a bringer, expressions, a lifted split, and a refined confidence. My dream is not to become a dentist who not only treats but also educates, who not only fixes but empowers. Someone who can serve in communities where oral care is often forgotten and bring back dignity through a single, confident, and smile. So yes, it all started with on quiet voice that said, "I don't feel like smiling." That one sentence I changed. how I see dentistry, and how I see my own purpose in my life. And I hope years from now, when someone asks me why I become a dentist, I can say because I want to bring smiles back, one person at the time. Okay. This journey is still ongoing, and I know I still have so much to learn. But one thing I'm sure of, I want to dedicate my life to something meaningful, to not only become a skilled dentist, but also someone who brings comfort, confidence, and change. Because at the end of the day, if I can help one person smile without fear, then I know if done something right. Thank you very much for listening to my story. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.